There are 5 steps to reach your goals in swimming. If you're up for the challenge, here is a 5-step action plan to help you reach them. First, grab a piece of paper or an app on your phone where you write your notes and answer these questions. What is your swimming goal? In swimming, it is easy to be specific. Just pick a distance and a time, or a swimming meet you want to qualify for, or a long distance. For example, I want to do 100 backstroke under 1:15, or I want to swim across the English Channel. Time frame. Define the due date for your goal. This could be a swim meet or a reasonable date that will give you time to prepare. Why do you want to reach that goal? When times get rough and you want to give up, you will need a reason that trumps willpower. Power of will doesn't last very long. When you don't want to wake up in the morning or drive to the pool or to the ocean, you will come up with creative excuses on why it is better to skip today's practice. This is why you need a strong reason to keep going and pushing your limits. Example, I want to go to the Olympics to inspire younger swimmers to represent our country and set an example that you can achieve amazing things if you set your mind to it. Or, I want to do 100 freestyle under a minute so I know I am improving and I can motivate myself to stay active and healthy so I can enjoy life more fully. Now that you have a goal, a time frame, and a reason to reach your goal, you need a plan. It is best if you work backwards from your goal. Talk to your coach or set time apart for yourself to plan the sub-goals you will need to achieve before reaching your ultimate goal. For example, if you want to swim 100 freestyle under 50 seconds, 4 months before the due date, you will need to go at least 50 in the 100 freestyle. 2 months before that, at least 51. The closer you are to your goal, the harder it gets to drop time. So, take that into account. Don't be discouraged and keep fighting. The last step is to stop watching this video and start swimming. If you don't go often to the pool, schedule it to your daily or weekly routine. The most important part at the beginning is to be consistent. Then, once you form a habit, you can start worrying about being efficient and effective. If you already have the habit of swimming, form the habit of writing down a small skill that you will improve on every day that will get you closer to your goal. For example, today I will work on my flexibility. If you want to download a PDF checklist of these steps with more examples and information, go to the link in the description. Since we started this channel, our main goal was to help at least 1 million people swim faster and reach their swimming goals. The time frame was 7 years. It has been 2 years and we just reached one of our sub-goals, which is 100,000 subscribers on this channel. We have more sub-goals that we would like to reach and we would like your input. We would like to launch at least 2 swimming workout programs a year. So, what would you like the workout to be focused on? How much distance per workout would be ideal for you? How many workouts should it include? We would also like to do a swimming camp. Would you like to meet us in person and get face-to-face coaching from us? Where do you think we should do it? What age group should it be offered to? We are going to start designing swimming caps inspired by countries and cultures. What country would you like us to do next? We appreciate any answers to these questions on the comment section. For more information, check out our webpage by clicking here. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Swim fast!